In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter by epic in Jira. Whether you're managing a large project or juggling numerous tasks, having a clear view of your epics in Jira can make your workflow much more efficient. So let's jump right in and simplify your Jira experience. To get started, you'll first want to navigate to your Jira homepage. This is essentially your starting point for everything within Jira, your central hub, if you will. On this page, you'll have quick access to all the sections you need. From here, we're going to move over to the sidebar on the left side of the screen. Look for the tab that says Projects. This is where all your collaborative efforts come together. Clicking on this tab will bring up a list of all the projects you're currently involved with or have access to, almost like a directory of your current engagements. Now, what you need to do is select the specific project you want to work with. Simply click on the name of that project, and Jira will take you right to its dedicated page. It's like opening the door to a room full of specific tasks and information related to that project. Once you're on your project page, direct your attention to another tab labeled All Work. You'll typically find this option along the top or in the sidebar. It's effectively your control center where you can manage all the various issues linked to your project. Click on Issues, and it will display a list of issues associated with the project you're in. This list can sometimes be overwhelming, especially when dealing with complex projects. That's why the next step involves using Jira's advanced search capabilities, which can be incredibly powerful if you're dealing with a large volume of data. On the Issues screen, you'll find a search bar, or a drop-down menu labeled as the Advanced Search. Click into this function. Within the options provided, you'll see a field labeled Type. Clicking on this will present a list of issue types that you can filter by. What we're interested in here is the Epic type. Select Epic from the list, and this simple selection will work its magic. As soon as you select Epic, Jira automatically filters through all the issues to display only those categorized as epics. This functionality is incredibly useful when you need to focus exclusively on higher-level project elements without being distracted by finer details. You can now view all the epics associated with this specific project in one unified list. It streamlines how you manage these key elements, ensuring you're always on top of the big picture. And there you have it, a straightforward and efficient way to filter by epic in Jira. By following these steps, you can easily keep tabs on all your epics and manage your tasks more efficiently. Mastering these small techniques in Jira not only saves time, but also enhances productivity for you and your team. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other Jira tutorials.